You have the systems, the strategy, the network, but if your relationship is full of tension, disconnection, or walking on eggshells, you're leaving millions on the table. Because a supportive woman doesn't just make life easier, she multiplies everything you touch. My fiance has generated over $1.5 million in revenue in just under 1.5 years, and he says he couldn't have done it without my support. That's why I help married business owners build strong relationships that fuel their success. Because when your woman is behind you, you don't just make more money. You lead with confidence, clarity, and purpose. Let me break this down. When my fiance started asking me questions like, what helps you feel seen by me? Or what can I do to make you feel safe emotionally? That's when I wanted to pour it into him. Not because I had to or I was obligated to, but because his leadership made me feel like we're both winning, which is a big deal. And from that place, I gave him more softness, coming from a bold woman, more trust, more energy. And guess what? His business got easier. His health got better, and his momentum explosive. Because a supported man is a powerful man. The most successful men, the top 1%, they prioritize their relationship because they know it's their edge. They don't wait until it falls apart. They invest in it before it ever does. Because when your home is whole, you lead differently, you build differently, you win differently. So if you've been asking, why does this feel so hard? Why am I constantly pushing uphill? Why do I have everything but something still feels off? Check your relationship, because your woman supporting you the right way won't just bring you peace. She'll bring you the power that you need. I coach high-achieving married men to build unshakable relationships that fuel their success. Click the link in the description to book a call. When a woman is deeply supportive of her man, she's not just encouraging him. She's fueling his entire nervous system. That means lower stress levels, more mental clarity, stronger decision-making, greater emotional stability under pressure. Most driven men don't realize how heavy their home life has become until it finally becomes light again. And that lightness, that's when you move fast. That's when you make bold, wiser decisions. That's when your team feels your leadership shift. But if you're constantly battling with your wife, or you're not emotionally connected with her, you carry that stress into every meeting, every pitch, every project. Whether you admit it or not, it's costing you. I want you to think about something for a second. Imagine waking up every morning and being poured into before the world even touches you. No stress, no drama. Just a woman who truly believes in you, speaks life into you, and reminds you that you're the man for the job. That energy is powerful. It's priceless. You really can't get it anywhere, even if you tried. Because when a woman supports you at that core, it activates something inside you that no strategy ever could. Confidence, clarity, drive. You stopped second-guessing yourself. You stopped trying to prove yourself. You start operating like the man you were designed to be. And she amplifies that version of you. But here's the truth most men don't hear. A woman can't pour into a man who shuts her out, who doesn't lead with vision, who doesn't create safety for her to trust him and believe in him. Support doesn't happen by demand. It happens when a man leads emotionally with clarity and conviction. Conviction is a big word. That's when her femininity flows. That's when her nurturing energy multiplies your mission. If you want to stop dragging your personal life into your business decisions, if you want to feel supported at home so you can fully show up in your mission, book a call with me. I help married business owners strengthen their love life to elevate their business success. The link is in the description. Book a call now.